Hello and welcome again. You're watching Hot Stocks. Myself and Lance Williams talking about the short-term insurance stocks. Next, we're going to talk about Old Mutual, which of course is a global giant founded in the 1840s, Cape Town-based. Yeah, it does everything across the board. I guess you could say it's a savings aggregator. Also has a big chunky holding of Nedbank, half of that. Short-term insurance operation called Mutual and Federal. Lost a little bit of market share, I think, in recent years. Lance will tell us what's exactly going on there. Market capitalization, though, of the overall Old Mutual Group, listed in London as well, 197.3 billion rand. So pretty hefty. Price-earnings ratio 13.8, dividend yield 4.65. So Lance, tell us first about Mutual and Federal, and then you can tell us what your view is of Old Mutual, the global group, as an investment.
Thanks, Paul. So Mutual and Federal is become a wholly owned subsidiary of Old Mutual. So it's kind of almost hidden a little bit within the Old Mutual Group, and it falls under the emerging markets sector because they've broken their business down into 4 sectors, which is more reflective of the fact that it's in South Africa, Mutual and Federal. Delisted it in 2009, so some time ago, after a failed attempt to sell the business, which was quite messy. And I think that hurt the business quite badly, and Santam maybe and some of the other competitors, unlisted competitors, capitalized, I think, quite heavily on that. And so Mutual and Federal, I don't think is the business it really was once, and they've diluted the brand slightly with this iWise brand, which is a play at the direct market. Hasn't been, I don't think, that successful. It is out there, and some management changes there. So trying to rebuild the business. So you'll see Old Mutual recently released their interim results. So it's quite hidden in there, Mutual and Federal. They call it property and casualty now, actually, in their results. It was loss-making previous 6 months of the previous year, 2014, turned into turnaround. So quite a nice turnaround. So yes, an established player. You don't feel like the Old Mutual Group is that all strongly that behind it.
Let's shift gears. New management at the helm of Old Mutual, ex-Liberty man Bruce Hemphill going into the head office in London. I saw Paul Hanratty stepping down, who is one of the traditional life managers that came out of the Cape Town business. So how do you see it? I mean, they have done quite well. Share price, I think, will reflect that they've moved nicely higher. And I guess that's just a reflection of better markets, better capitalization levels, solid growth, being seen as an emerging markets financial play in the London market. Do you like it? You keen on it? Think it's hot or not?
Yeah, I am pretty keen on it. A big cleanup done by the previous management, handing over to Bruce Hemphill, who'll take it to the next level. The whole European play didn't really work out, so clean that out. So a nice collection of assets, successfully listed their asset management business in the US, did quite well out of that, so a little bit of see-through in that. So yes, obviously a nice rand head element to it for a South African investor. So yes, a nice collection of assets and a well-run.
Hot
on this one,
Okay.